Every drive comes with moments you can't predict. That's why the 2026 Hyundai Elantra comes standard with Hyundai SmartSense. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist with pedestrian detection helps monitor the road ahead, assisting when it matters most. Lane Keeping Assist and Lane Following Assist helps keep you centered and moving confidently on the road. Driver Attention Warning helps recognize signs of distraction or fatigue, adding another layer of awareness. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Warning looks out for vehicles you may not see, while Rear Cross-Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist helps when backing out. And Safe Exit Warning helps alert passengers before stepping into oncoming traffic. It's all backed by Hyundai's America's Best 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. Elantra was awarded IIHS Top Safety Pick. And with every Hyundai sold, a donation is made to Hope on Wheels to fight childhood cancer. Together, we've raised over $303 million. The 2026 Hyundai Elantra. Smart safety, confident driving. Experience it for yourself at your local Hyundai dealer.